Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to handle JSON files in Python. So first of all, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation Abbreviated. And as you can see, this is a pic of the Nightwing. It's my favorite character and that's why I've named my channel after it. The picture is nothing related to the JSON concept, but yeah, the JSON file is not this one. Let's delete it. We'll make it later. So yeah, so I've made a data.json file. You can make your own JSON file by making a text file, renaming it to anything like new.json, and make a dictionary in it, like name is equals to anything ABCD, class is equals to, let it be x 10th, and that's all. So you have made now a JSON file, and JSON files are on the format of a dictionary. So now we will see how to handle these JSON files. So go into your Jupyter Lab file. So we will access the data.json file. We'll also use this JSON library. So first open this data.json file in read mode. File. First of all, let's read it simply. So print file dot read. So as you can see, I'll zoom a little bit. Yeah, so as you can see, it's printed right. Let's see what's the type of this file read. Let's make it as a and print type of a. So it's a string type. So if you want to convert the JSON object into a dictionary, so what you have to do is, right now this a is in string format, so there is a function provided by JSON library to convert a JSON string object into a dictionary, and it's json.loads. The S stands for string. I'll also tell you about only the load function. So this load S, the S stands for string, converts a JSON string into a dictionary type. So shift enter, and now let's see what's D and what's the type of D. Not capital, it's small. So it's dictionary. Don't look at this, it has no return type, that's why it has shown none. You have to just focus on this. It's a dictionary and the type is also dictionary. You can do this in one more way. If you don't read the file like this and just give json.load file, so again you will get the same thing. Load S is for converting a JSON string into a dictionary type, and only load without an S, you can convert your file into a dictionary object. Okay, so now we'll make now what we will do is we'll make a dictionary. We will take the same data, take it from here. And we will convert this dictionary into a JSON string, and then we will write a JSON file by writing that JSON string into that file. So for making it into a JSON string, so that we can write it into a JSON file, JSON again provides a function known as dumps, again S with a string that will convert a JSON string that will convert a dictionary into a JSON string. So json.dumps d, and now make a file using with again data new.json in write mode, as we will write our data now. OpenS file, and it's a very good practice if you use this with OpenS file, because if you write it like this is app equals to open a file data.json and read, so you'll always have to manually close it by using app.close. So but with function, I mean this statement, when you come out of the indentation, so your file closes automatically when you comes out of this indentation or function. So it's a very good practice to use this statement. So for writing this dictionary, this JSON string into a JSON file, it's very simple. Just do json.dump without an s, the JSON string you want to copy into the file, which is JSON string, and the file in which you want to write it, and just file here and just shift enter. So we got a data new.json file. So yeah, we got what we desired. So that was all with handling the JSON files. Thank you and see you in next video.